Here we go, fourth graders. Our learning target is I can write a conclusion that is related to my opinion I've presented. So, first off, I think I'm going to just check this assignment sheet and rubric quick, just make sure I'm on the right track here. So it says providing a concluding statement related to my opinion presented. So, what I'm going to do, on the very last part of the PSA blog graphic organizer, and it says first sentence is your thesis, could start with in conclusion or as you can see, and then 3 sentences where I state my reasons. So my thesis is that there should be school year-round. And really I say I can start with 2 in conclusion or as you can see. I think I'm going to go with in conclusion. So I'm going to delete this. And these dots here just tell me this is where my sentence would continue, where I would write. So I'm going to keep that comma there, and I'm going to say in conclusion. And I could just say my thesis again. I could say there should be school year-round. But I don't want to just say the same thing and repeat myself, because that's not very effective. So I'm going to think of how I could say it a little bit differently. So I could say, in conclusion, having year-round school would... what could I say? Having year-round school would be... Since my audience is teachers, I could say would make teaching easier. Now I need to write really what my 3 reasons would be. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to, and really you could look at your folder. I don't have my folder right now, so I'm looking right here. But the first one is it would save schools money. So I'm going to say that over here. Year-round school would save schools money. My second reason is improve student performance. I could say, to connect this, I could use a transition where I could say also it would improve student performance. And then I could say other schools have made it work. Other schools have made it work. And there you go. So there's my conclusion. So I've stated my thesis right here, and I used in conclusion, or as you can see, I chose in conclusion. Then I have 3 sentences that restate my reasons. That is how you write a conclusion.